Alright, YouTube, so I figured while I was active in doing it, I might as well give you a quick tour of our house. Disclaimer, we don't mind sharing our house and having people over to our house and showing our house off, but as always, anybody's welcome here anytime as long as you don't come here with ill intent, because then I'm sure you wouldn't be happy when you left. Anyway, let me kick this thing off. So we'll give you a quick shot of the basement down there. I got everything off so it's a little dark and chilly. But up this way goes the top of the house. So this is where we're standing right here. And we got a welcome dog right there. Hi dog, come on. So as you come up the steps here, you can see what's directly in front of you. I guess now a lot of the stuff we added, of course this thing here I kind of threw together, which that's actually a good project. Maybe I'll do a how-to on that one. That one's not real difficult. So over here we got our couches and our living room. House is full windows. And we're watching the Engineering Family on YouTube. Got the fire, which I'm gonna have to kick that thing up in a minute. All right. So anyway, there we got the living room, and here's the midget's room. Say hi, Munchk. This is her playroom with all of her toys. And here, and there's dog. Okay, over this way. All right, then we go over here. Put this pallet wall up. Not yet, I didn't, sweetie. I'm getting there. Put this pallet wall up not long after we came in. Which, I don't know if you can see that whole thing, but back up and put that guy right here. See that? And then, of course, here you can see where we got the name of our channel. Alright, so this is the back of the fireplace, and I guess you could call this the sitting room with the tree. Hey, Munch, open the door and let Nizzy in. There's a cat waiting to come in. Got all this room over here with the windows, and if you look out our house this way, it looks like we're living in a house built on top of the trees, which I love. But if you look out back here, you should be able to see the creek down the backyard. Got these mini splits here, put them in a little while ago. I should probably do a how-to on them. There's the Munchkin again. Alright, and over here we get to the kitchen. And the who? Oh, and the Santa Grandma. Christmas Grandma, that's right. Here's the kitchen. So here we got a fridge and lots of pictures. Backyard from this angle. Yeah, babe. I won't, I'll show them that next. Alright, so she wants me to show you her bedroom, so... Now what? No, alright. Oh, by the way, while I'm thinking about it, if any of y'all have dogs, or puppies specifically, that you're just starting to train, I went to AC Moore, I think, and bought a few packs of these jingle bells, I'll call them, with a cowbell on the bottom, and I used a piece of 550 cord, paracord, to attach them to, and hang them right there. And when we started training this one, every time we take her outside, we would just take her paw and slap these bells and go outside, and it was only about a week and a half until we heard the first ding by ourselves without her, you know, walking her to the door, and that was the first time that she rang the bells to go outside and go to the bathroom. So, hey, get that right there. Anyway, that works really well. Here's a inside shot of the kitchen. All right, let's go over here back the hallway. Back here, there's one bathroom. Sorry, the lights are out. Over here's another bathroom. Definitely got to paint that wall. Over here's the master bath or master bed. And this one has a bathroom right there on him. And then we got our outside door to the backyard from here, which we love. We have some pretty epic parties here. Okay, and here's the Munchkins room. Ta-ta-da! You got anything you want to show them?
Okay.
What do you want to show them?
Mama
Mama knows the key. All right. Very good. That's all her books in there. And some of her travel stuff. Oh, now we're going over this way. Okay, all right. All right. Oh, and what's in there? Mommy's shoes. Huh?
My shoes too.
Yeah? Oh, and your shoes too, right. Okay.
Slippers.
And what else? What's in this right here?
Okay.
What is it? Oh, look at that. It's toys. Lots of toys. Got this big one right here. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Oh, we got these fancy lights here. Let me turn these on. The thing facing the other direction. All right, here we go. So now you can see them. Put that mini split in just a couple months ago. It works unbelievably well. There's the remote for it. This one's a Pioneer.
And Moose.
Huh? Oh, and Moose, right. Let me see Moose. There's Moose. Very good. Put that in a few months ago, and man, that makes a huge difference. We sometimes when it gets really cold, we set that fan up right there, blow it down the hallway. I also put one in up on our bedroom, and I might put one more in out here yet, but those three regulate the house pretty good with this fireplace supplementing. But if I were to put another one like up here in the corner somewhere, that would make a pretty big difference also. But that pretty much wraps up the top floor. I guess I'll do the bottom floor in another day. Let me see, I feel like there was something I was going to say back here, and I can't remember what it was. Yeah. I don't remember what it was. Anyway. So there goes the tour of the crib. Oh, look at this thing here is another good buy for anybody that's looking. This is called a Casa Cam. I think it's K-A-S-A. But that thing you can remotely access from anywhere. And you can two-way talk back and forth on it, as well as record high-definition audio, and it has a night vision mode. But K-A-S-A Cam. And I think they make a bunch of different models. That one there cost me about $60. And I'm very, very happy it'll give me a motion detection when anything goes off in the house that's not the dog. Very good Christmas tree. It'll send an alert to my phone, which we have another alarm in the house that's monitored, but this way I can actually video who it is in the house. But at any rate, well worth it. So there's a tour of our humble abode, and we'll try and keep posting them. Come back to see us again, and make sure you subscribe. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Very good.
Don't forget to say Bumnos Bikini.
You say it.
I don't know how to say
You just said it.
No, Bumnos.
All right. All right, bye, YouTube.